The anthropogenic climate change is one of the greatest challenges which the international community and local actors have paid attention in the last decades. Now it's almost a general knowledge that the global temperature is getting higher, dry regions will become drier, and wet regions will become wetter. But do we really know how climate change affects our personal life? Climate system and other Earth spheres are connected to each other as a clock, and every year leads us to the next one until it reaches our very own person. Here are some examples. This one affects all of us, the coffee lovers. The coffee plant is a very special kind of crop because it needs 3 years to give its first fruits, and different stages of the plant require different specific climatic conditions to grow. Now that the extreme temperatures are intensifying, as well as droughts and extreme precipitation events, the coffee is facing an habitat loss that is reflected in the deficit between the coffee produced and consumed that we are facing since 2015. So yes, climate change is also reflected in your cup of coffee. What about how we experiment climate change in our everyday walks on the streets? Climate change is an amplifier of the destructive processes of nature to the city buildings and paved roads, such as thermal expansions, water erosion, and chemical corrosion. Moreover, our health is in danger every day due to the different phenomena that are becoming more common in this changing climate. Some direct consequences of changing the atmospheric conditions could result in more intense or frequent heat waves, tropical storms, temperature-enhanced levels of air pollution, and so on. Also, there are some species that are migrating along with the climate conditions, bringing some infectious diseases with them. Climate change is not only affecting us directly, but we can also mitigate and adapt to it directly in our everyday lives. Some ideas are to use more public transport or bicycle, eat less meat and more greens, have your coffee in reusable cups, or recycle your coffee grounds in urban farms.